Today, you will learn the biggest trading lesson ever. You will also practice the best momentum trading strategy with the best trading view indicator. We will cover everything that you can ever imagine with top-down analysis from high time frames to low time frames. Are you ready for it? Then let's do this. As you already know, there is an unending fight between buyers and sellers in the markets. As a trader, your best approach should be joining the dominant parties. When you look at the 15, 30 or 45-minute candles, or even early time frames like 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, you'll notice this kind of price action, constant green candles. These moves generally start with a nice momentum imbalance. This is a buyer dominance. Or the constant red candles ignited with an imbalance. This is a seller dominance. So, the question is how to join these dominant parties and how to trade these in action. What you are looking for here is a top gainer coin of the day, called with a weird name of Chims. And also, why do I use this indicator called ICT high time frames? It shows me all the price action you need from multi-time frames. First of all, notice how the early party started, where the initial rally ignited. As you can see, around right this imbalance area. What happened after that? A very dominant buyer rally started. Let's take a look at the area together with the 5-minute full chart on the left. Notice where the party started here again, and then the dominant buyer action followed. More importantly, notice this momentum imbalances area inside the dominant party. The moment that buyers push the coin instantly. Now, I want to watch the price action closely again in 5-minute charts only. First of all, notice how the early rally started one more time. It started right around this SR Philip area. But can we go back even further and evaluate the market structure first? Here is your earlier structure box with the protected low. Then it follows another break and a new structure box with new protected low. As a classic trader, you can make the entry right here like a compact 2-hour setup. But are you afraid of too many stop losses? Is there another option here? Let's discuss it. I know that many of you are very tired of stop losses with classic risk-reward setups. Then your only option left is using multiple orders and creating like price averages. Or if your broker allows, create multiple orders with dynamic stop loss managements. To use multiple orders, you must determine many entry areas first. Let's check out. First of all, Fibonacci is a great tool. You are making your entry here with SR Philip area on the imbalance with EQ from Fibonacci. This is your first partial entry with your mental stop loss. Then let's see. There is this another great level here. But why? Why this area? Because if the price drops further back, it will be the optimal trade entry area, the golden zone that combined with the inner imbalance. And your last entry should be under this area for the further imbalance and this inner deep liquidity area. So, what did we do here to avoid direct stop losses? For example, instead of using a risk reward like risk a $60 to win $120 setup with 2 hours, what we did is we divided that $6 risk into 3 small pieces with $20. We made multiple entries with our mental and dynamic stop loss in the case of price drops further. In another sense, we just created ourselves an average price. Now, how about trading with the dominant party? Let's talk more about the continuous price action. See what happens here after our first entry tries. Structure breaks one more time and creates another structure box with a new protected low. Now we also know that price is pushing so fast. Buyers are quite dominant with those green high time frame candles in a row. But again, you are very afraid of using the risk reward tool because of the constant and instant stop losses. What we do is again jumping with a partial trade order here, joining the dominant price movement with the buyers. You see what we do here with other time frames clearly. Notice where we joined the price movement. We jump to the dominant price movement of buyers with high speed. We are not afraid because we are not using a risk reward. We are now entering with partial orders. So what if the price drops further again? What you do here again, create other multiple orders until the protected low area. As long as we protect this low, we are bullish here. So basically you are not cursed to use RR tools and be stopped out like 10 times a day. There are other ways of trading like my yo-yo style trading from the masterclass. All we do is a very simple price action of dividing orders into pieces and making multiple entries instead of making entry at once, while we dynamically manage our stop losses and give our trade some room to breathe and recover. Okay friends, another great video ends here. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.